Is Google Chrome running slow on your Windows 11 PC or not loading websites properly? The real reason might be hidden cache files slowing down, and in this video I'll show you how to safely clear Chrome cache on Windows 11 step by step without deleting your passwords or important data, and it takes less than a minute. You can feel the speed instantly. So the very first thing here is to open the Google Chrome, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then go click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, you will have a window like this, and then we need to go to this privacy and security, which is the third option. Now we will select delete browsing data, and you can click on more and select all time and uncheck browsing and cookies and download history, and just select cache images and files. If you wish, you can select other as well. Since we are only clearing the cache, not anything else, then you can simply select the cache images and files and then just click on delete data. So you can see I have 327 megabytes. In your case, you might have more than 1 GB of cache in GB's cache. And once you click on delete, then you just need to close the Chrome and reopen it, and I'm sure it will perform better. Do let me know in the comment section whether clearing cache in Google Chrome in Windows 11 is helpful or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.